Hi parents, I've just come across something online and I've got to share it with you now. This is about the curriculum, and even me as a teacher, when I saw this, I was completely stunned. So I know you're going to be surprised too. Now, before I jump into that and share it with you, just a little bit about me. My name is Sylvia. I've been a qualified teacher for the last 10 years or so. And over the last year alone, I've worked with around 100 students in my tuition company. And I have a record of helping students improve by up to 2 or more grades in GCSE Science and Maths in as little as 16 weeks. So let's go ahead. I'm going to share that with you now. So what you can see here is the GCSE curriculum. So this is the GCSE curriculum, different subjects. And this is what your typical GCSE student will need to know for their exams, the topic that they need to know, the content for them to pass the exams. So let's have a look at maths, for instance, on the left-hand side. We can see maths is fairly long. If we go down, there's maths there. And if your child, if a student is doing further maths, then they've got a little bit more to cover as well. Next to maths, we have English. You can see English is 2 subjects, English literature as well as English language. Now, wait for this. Let's move over to science. Can you see science there in the middle? Science is 3 subjects. It's biology, it's chemistry, it's physics. Right, watch this as I take you through this. Just follow me as I go down, right? Can you see from the start, let's move it here as I go down, right? You can see that it's just going. So the contents of the other subjects are disappearing. Maths is going and going. Science is going and going and going. It's overtaken maths, and it's just going and going and going and going. And that is the science curriculum. And as part of that science curriculum are the practical skills that student needs to know, and the math skills, which together are now worth about 2 to 3 grade levels, about 35%. So science is not only 3 subjects, but the curriculum is absolutely vast, is absolutely massive. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people are not aware of this. Even me, as a science teacher, I've been teaching science for the last 10 years. And when I saw this, I was shocked. I didn't realize how comprehensive science is compared to the other subjects. Now, this is one of the main things that holds GCSE Science students back, especially those doing combined science. They don't look at it as 3 separate subjects. They look at it as 1 subject, and they don't plan for it accordingly till they leave it till the last minute. Now, this is exactly why GCSE Science students need to start early to help them to, improve their grades and get there early. Now, parents, that's why I've created my GCSE Kickstart program. This program is going to be for Key Stage 3 students who are going into Year 9 next academic year and starting the GCSEs, as well as Year 9 students who are going into Year 10 and still have those key gaps that they need to cover. This means that we'll get your child started early so that they will be ahead of the peers by the time next academic year starts. We're going to accelerate their progress. And so by the time they Year 9 starts, they start Year 9, or even that crucial year of Year 11, they are ready to hit the ground running. To join the GCSE Kickstart program, just click on the link below. Let's work with your child to ensure that they have the most successful opportunities for the future. See you on the other side.